घिर घिर आई रे, घिर घिर आई रे, घिर घिर आई रे. It was a cold, dark, rainy night when Krishna came. It was a cold, dark, rainy night when Devaki and Vasudev put him safe in a basket. It was a cold, dark, and rainy night when Vasudev carried Krishna across the river Yamuna as the waters rose and fell. It was a cold, dark, rainy night when Sheshnag sheltered baby Krishna. It was a cold, dark, rainy night when Krishna found a home in the house of Nandalalji and in the love of Yashoda, and everyone loved him. The stars and the moon and the sun loved Krishna. The Govardhan and the Yamuna loved Krishna. The cows grazing in Vrindavan loved Krishna. The little boys, his friends, loved Krishna. The butter waiting to be eaten loved Krishna. The Gopikas loved Krishna. The flowers that bloomed each day loved Krishna. The peacocks that danced in the forests loved Krishna. The winds that carried his sweet music loved Krishna. आयो सावन अधिक सुहावन वन में बोलन लागे